What's going on, guys? It feels so good to be back. It's been about a week since I've been recovering, and I am back on the bike. If you guys haven't seen my last video, I pretty much wrecked the bike. Granted, it was a nice slow wreck, so I'm not as hurt as I could have gotten. So thank goodness for that. The bike's fine besides some cosmetics. The bearings chipped a bit, and it has a bunch of scratches on the left side. If you guys didn't see that video, I'll probably link it in the description down below, and also at the end of the video, at the end of this video. But otherwise, I'm back, and I am excited to be back on the bike. Today, I'm gonna go to my favorite spot and just, you know, bring that confidence back a little bit, and we'll go and talk a little bit about what happened and how I'm feeling and what my thought is after my first wreck ever. I gotta get some gas real quick, and I gotta head to the base of that road that we're going up. As we're pulling up to the gas station here on the left, I gotta give a huge thanks to the guys that I was riding with that day that I wrecked. They rushed over and made sure that I was okay. I was more worried if the bike was good. It's crazy, right, that we just instantly think about our bikes. But huge thanks to them and the riding community. We're such a tight-knit family. Some people may not understand. Also, to the YouTube community, when I posted my last video, you guys showed some love and just made sure that I was good. So thank you for anyone that did that and just took the time. The YouTube community is also stellar, and I cannot thank you guys enough. It's extremely windy today, so if the wind noise is a little bit much, there's not much I can do about that. But I'm just gonna pull over real quick and make sure everything's secured and good to go. All right, guys, we made it to the base. I'm gonna get set up and we're gonna head up. I'm just gonna take it nice and easy, get a feel for the road, and once I get comfortable, ramp it up a little bit. I'm just gonna shut up for a bit now, and we're just gonna enjoy the ride so I can concentrate on these roads. All right, here we go. while I'm cruising behind this truck, let's talk a little bit about what happened that day last week when I got into that small wreck. Pretty much I hit a patch of gravel, tire slid out, the bike recovered, but I lost complete focus. For some stupid reason, I decided to look back and went wider on the turn. I looked away, then went over the bike. If you guys take anything from this, I would say to just commit to your turn no matter what happens and just focus on where you want to go. That is such an important rule. But when the bike slammed into the median, I pretty much flew over the bike. All I remember is the ground coming closer, and I just felt calm. I didn't feel panicked. I don't know if it was the adrenaline or what. I realized that my left hand came over my head and braced for the impact, I guess, instead of my head hitting the ground. That caused me to just roll on my back, and then the momentum basically just carried me to my feet. And it happened so fast that I was already up before everyone else stopped to check on me. And I just felt embarrassed at that point. But I'm just glad that I'm okay. You live and you learn, right? But that's that, and I'm just gonna get a little bit higher and we're gonna stop and then just kind of talk about my thought process after the accident. If you guys have any crazy stories, please just let me know in the comments below. Holy crap, it's so cold up here. It's like 30 something degrees and my hands are freezing. I'll probably just go up a little bit further and just stop somewhere nice. Okay, that's it. I'm turning around here. My hands are tingling right now. This wind chill is insane, freezing my ass off. Alright, this looks like a nice area to pull off and just look at the view. While we're at it, I'm just gonna go through my thought process with you guys after the crash. Should you be afraid after going down on your bike? For me, this is something that I love to do, and it's my obsession. I'm not nervous to be back on the bike or shaken up by it, but my pride might be a little bit hurt. I've learned from my mistake, it wasn't the bike's fault, it was my own. And I feel like it's made me more focused and aware of what's going on around me. Now, I don't think anyone who is getting on a bike for the first time should be afraid to get back on if they've dropped the bike or wrecked the bike in any way. Of course, that depends on any kind of injuries that might have been sustained, right? Let me know your guys' opinion in the comments, or even if you have your own experience to share for others. And for anybody that celebrates, I want to wish you guys a happy Thanksgiving. I hope you enjoy it with whoever you're spending time with. Tap that subscribe button if you haven't already. It means so much to me. We're on our way to 400 subs. Until next time, guys, ride safe out there, and I'll see you later.